Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. In this video, behold.
Now, it had been my intent to keep my electric scooter plans in my top sneaky folder, along with the other top secret plans I devised myself. However, as I previously stated, I have a bin full of unopened parts, a towering stack of exciting boxes, my SD cards full to the brim with footage, and my eagerness to share is bursting out at the seams. So why not do a mega unboxing of all the bits and bobs I've accumulated?
So a mega unboxing this will be. Let's get to it.
Starting off with where the rubber meets the road, I think these tires are supposed to be replacements for that Xiaomi brand, but they should suit my purposes just fine.
And I bought two of them because this is a scooter after all.
I'll get more into the design of the drivetrain in the actual build video, but for the purposes of this video, this is the gearbox I'm going to use for the scooter. In its current form, it is basically a brush motor, coupled to a planetary gear set. One of the things I was unsure of using this gearbox is the fact that it has powder metal gears. Now that has some interesting implications, which I'll get into in the build video. But again, for the purposes of this video, I think it should be okay. It is also worthy of note that cordless drills use the same material for their gears as well. Here we have a few 12mm flanges, some M5 T-slot nuts, these are some angle brackets for the front end of the scooter, and these are some 90-degree angle brackets for building out the frame.
Getting back into the drivetrain here, these next couple of parts will transmit torque from this gearbox to the back tire. To do that, I have two sprockets, a number 35 chain, a chain puller, and chain spring clip pliers. This large sprocket is sized so that it's as large as I can possibly make it without having it run into the floor when I end up tilting into a turn, and the hole is also sized. It's not ideal, but it should theoretically bolt down to where the original disc brake has bolted. For the gearbox end, I ordered a flange that will bolt to this smaller sprocket and is a perfect fit with this 10mm key shaft. So basically, for the drive going to the wheel, it's going to be a simple chain drive. And I guess props to Princess Auto for having all these chain drive parts. Although, not props for being in the middle of freaking nowhere. Alright, enough dealing with these tiny components. Let's get into some of these bigger boxes here.
Here we have some 2020 aluminum profiles with curved corners. Some lengths of 12mm shafting. And some regular 2020 aluminum profiles. 2020 profiles? What the heck is that? What these basically are aluminum beams that measure 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters thick, and they're commonly used in machine construction, such as CNC machines or 3D printers. They're super handy for building quick assemblies out of because they have T-slots on all 4 of the long faces. And with M5 bolts and T-nuts, you can hook them together in pretty much any way.
So having all the parts is nice, but if you don't have any tools, it's going to be kind of hard to build. So, in addition to what I already have, I also went ahead and got angle grinder. Probably one of the most well-built angle grinders you're ever going to get. Polycarbonate glass fiber reinforced 15% plastic. So, plastic, but good plastic. And I don't know if you can see in there, but that sure as hell looks like a stamped sheet metal fan. So, a metal fan, not just a plastic fan like you would get in like a Bosch or a Defaults or something like that. This thing is a killing machine, man. Ignoring the wisdom of EEV blog Dave Jones, don't turn her on, take her A part. We're gonna turn her on without taking her A part. Let's do this. Nice. Alright, well, that'll make for a fun time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. This project is gonna be awesome.